Good afternoon from Lake Norman. Today I'm going to show you guys the latest from WaterBugz, which is website is www.WaterBugz. Fishing today in 20 some feet of water to 30. I'm going to make a cast out about 35, 40 feet. That way my bait will be on the bottom. Here's the new board. Have a flag on it right now, but it's designed, you can see this little hole here, to put one of these glow sticks in it, and you can use them at night. Alright, I've made my cast. Now I'm going to connect the board. First thing you do is connect this clasp here, which holds the board on after you release it here. A big fish will hit this and break it loose, and this will slide on down. I put flags on them so y'all be able to see them when you're out there in the water. I already got the boards on these, so I'd save some video time. If you'll notice, I make a easy little cast out to get it away from the boat. This rod, this one, which I call my long rods, they're 8 feet long, ugly sticks. I use them because you want to keep your line off the surface of the water. The more line you got rubbing the water, the more drag you got on your board. As you can see, they're spreading out. Set up this board here. Sometimes I have this rig here out about 75 feet, and the second rig would be about 50 feet. Lock this down so it'll pull out. The old way of fishing, you would have a rod over on each side, sticking out maybe 7 feet here, circled out the back, and your spread is only about 21 to 24 feet. But by using these side planer boards, as you can see right now, I've increased my width of my exposure to 50 to 60 feet. I forgot to mention, but these are the double flotation rigs that were designed just for catfishermen, because they put a little heavier bait than a striper fisherman. When you get a strike, let's just say on this one here, you got to keep in mind you have an angle from here over to the far side, and your line is running parallel with the rear of the boat. So you need to let this pull all the way in this direction here before you even pick up your rod. So big fish, give it 4 or 5 cranks before you even pick it up. The reason you do that, it helps with the hook set. Also monofilament line, which a lot of us use, stretches 24 to 28%. So you got the boat going one way, the fish going the other, and you're taking care of your stretch by the fish and the boat, plus giving it 6 or 7 cranks on your reel. I hope this helps you guys. Have a good one.